how are you? Welcome back to Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. I'm back with a new dessert recipe today. It's called earthquake cake, or I call it one bowl chocolate cake. It's very tasty with coconut and some walnuts or pecans. Do try it, and it's super quick recipe. Do try it and let me know how it turned out. Let's go and see how to make this yummy chocolate cake or earthquake. Do try it and let me know how it turned out. If you like my videos, please do like, comment, subscribe and share. Let's go and see the recipe now and try it for yourself. So let's look at the ingredient to make this yummy earthquake cake. Earthquake cake is nothing but a mixture of different ingredients that go together. It's quite easy to make. So let's see the ingredient. Flavorless oil. I'm using fudge brownie mix, and you can use walnuts or pecans. Use what you have. 8 ounces of cream cheese, butter, half cup of butter, 2 eggs, and chocolate chips, and a cake pan. I'm using this butterfly pan. So let's make this. We'll mix the cake mix according to the ingredients listed on the box. So let's start with that. So I sprayed my cake pan with spray oil. Spray nicely so that nothing sticks to it. I'm adding around quarter cup of chopped walnuts. Just add it to the pan. No need to mix it or anything like that. Just add it. And now we are going to add 1 cup of sweetened coconut flakes. Just spread it around. That's it. Spread it nicely. Here, 1 cup. And if you want more, you can add half more cup, but 1 cup is enough for me. So that's why I'm stopping at 1 cup. Let's mix the fudge cake according to its instructions, and then we'll add it to this pan. So all our ingredients are in this. So let's mix it nicely and add it to the pan. So let's make our cream cheese mixture that will go into the cake. I'm adding 2 cups of sugar, half cup of butter, melted butter, and 1/8 ounce of cream cheese that is softened to room temperature. And we'll mix it nicely with a hand mixer, or you can mix it with a hand, but I'm going to use hand mixer. So let's add this. Here, let's mix nicely. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for vanilla flavor in my chocolate cake. Let's mix it one last time. So now we are going to add it with dollops, like a spoon, and just add it. You don't have to mix it in, just keep adding. I sprinkled 1 cup of chocolate chips on the top. You don't have to mix it in. I'm preheating my oven to 350 Fahrenheit, and I'm going to bake it for 40 minutes. So I will show you when I'm putting it in. Right now the oven is preheated. So let's make this yummy. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees. So let's put our cake in 40 minutes. Let's put it in, and on the timer 40 minutes, and our cake will be ready. And when it's ready and ready to be served, I will show you the end product. Perfect cake is ready. I'm going to serve it with a scoop of ice cream. It's going to taste amazing. Do try it and let me know how it turned out. If you do like my recipes, please do like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.